Various beam features can also be modified. The catalogue, in fact, allows us to choose section type and size. Whereas for steel beams we can choose profile type and size. In the geometry section we can change the length, keeping one of the 2 points fixed, but we can also define the direction in the floor plan view, the coordinates and the point elevation. Even for the beam object, we can set it as visible on upper floor levels, showing its outline, and change its coordinates in plan view. In the height reference system, we can then assign the top level of the beam and a height difference, the delta value for each point. Beam materials can also be changed, choosing among the materials which are available in the catalogues.